to my YouTube channel for day 3 of the last race weekend of the Formula E Season 9. We are currently in the mall area because I am on my way to find the DS lounge, because apparently DS has a lounge this weekend, which I was not aware of until yesterday. So we are gonna spend free practice 3 in the lounge. We found the lounge and now I know why people want to be up here. Look at that view.
We're trying to get them to trade bar.
This is fantastic. I might stay up here all day. Midday and the party is on here. I don't even want to know how wild this is going to be tonight. I'm on my way to the DS box. For one last time, things are getting serious. It's time for the last qualifying of the season.
1, 2, 3.
Jeff is out after the group session. Now Stoffel is out on the track to do his group session and they are recording drops of rain. It keeps being interesting here. Stoffel is out on after the duel, but it looks like he's gonna be P5, so that's a good effort. For one last time, we have the pit walk and in a few minutes the autograph session going on. One last dance. Pit walk actions going on. And I figured I have to do some uploads for you guys here on the DS Switzerland account. And I figured why not sit here in the pit lane and enjoy a few more or less calm moments here before this whole thing is over. It is quite crazy that this full season is really actually coming to an end. I still cannot believe it, but soaking in all the moments, getting the work done. Soon it's time for the race. I'm so happy to be here on the grid for the last race of this season. I've said it so many times that we are finally here. It's time for everyone to give it one last kick, one last pedal to the metal. Let's see how that goes, because outside it's raining. So they tried to start the race on their safety car and that didn't work, so there's way too much rain. They are doing a red flag now and apparently in 10 minutes the weather should move on. Red flag number 2, because it's raining cats and dogs and I have Megan visiting me. Sweet Caroline. Oh, oh, oh. It's literally like a swimming pool. It's like a swimming pool.
Yeah, is that actually on the radio?
Yeah.
He said, tell the restoration. It's a swimming pool outside.
C'est une piscine.
C'est une piscine. C'est la pistoche dehors.
Sweet Caroline.
Would have been fun, I'm sure.
Actually, let me explain to you how this situation is gonna play out in the worst case. So, from the moment that the race started, they have 3 hours to finish the race, which now we are already 1.5 in. So if they would not be able to finish the full race after 3 hours, no matter how many laps were done, so even if we would not start anymore, the race would be over. We're not there yet. They are trying now again. It's 6:28 now. They're trying again in 2 minutes. So let's see, but this guy just came from the outside and it's very wet.
Very wet.
This doesn't look too promising. Oh man. because he had to change 2 tires during the race, which put him all the way in the back. As you saw behind me, the last podium of season 9 just took place, and this, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of season 9 of Formula E. It has been my absolute pleasure to be able to take you along here on my channel for more or less the full season of Formula E. What an honor. As you can hear, it's still loud and it's gonna be loud for a while. I'm gonna say bye to you. Make sure you follow me on all the channels wherever you can. Give DS Switzerland a follow everywhere. Thank you so much for them to make all of this possible. Thank you to DS Penske, DS Performance and Formula E for all these great opportunities, and I hope to see you here on these pit lanes next year again. Thanks for watching. Ciao zusammen.